Maris Racal is the latest celebrity to let us in a peek of her newly renovated homes. For Maris, she dedicated her home a reflection of her perky personality and artistic eye. Maris wanted an industrial feel for her foyer, at the same time, a vibe that can make one feel like you're in a girl's place. This vision was achieved by giving the walls a cement finish look and adorning the space with blooms. Originally, the first floor was the designated living room, but Maris and her sisters decided to use the space for a bedroom, so the former Pinoy Big Brother housemate can have the entire third floor to herself. The second floor had the most changes from its original design. One of the main highlights is the gallery wall by the staircase, which displays Maris' choice picks of paintings and photos. The main feature of this gallery wall is a black and white art piece by artist Buddy Cabrera. It is the only painting on the wall, as the other frames hold digital prints. The other main centerpiece of this floor is the sofa that Maris bought last year. The design inspiration for the renovation came from the sofa. Despite the small space, Maris was able to make the tiny space more functional. She put this into practice in her living area and kitchen. The tabletop for the television set has 3 functions: a TV stand, a storage cabinet, and a writing nook for Maris. The bar counter by the kitchen was originally a single island top. Now, it doubles as a room divider and a dining table for her family. Happy with her small home and the before portion of her home tour, Maris explained why she decided to buy a small house. Aside from her fascination with small spaces, practicality played into her decision. In Maris' case, the biggest splurge in her space is her built-in TV stand that serves as a writing desk, which provides plenty of storage as well. Carol also made sure that Maris' decor doesn't strictly follow an interior trend. The art wall, one of the focal points of Maris, was her art pieces cleverly placed around her home. Carol explains that the curation of these pieces was personally designed by Maris and her sister. She followed the existing color scheme and added artistic photos of herself. In addition, she mixed digital prints combined with original paintings from a Filipino artist. But some art decor were strategically placed. According to Carol, we added some botanical press frames to make it cleverly deviate the attention from the huge AC above the couch. She said, "Tips and tricks." Despite the eclectic feel and thoughtful decor displayed around the room, Maris' house doesn't look cluttered. In fact, it looks spacious and homey. For this, Carol shares her top tips in achieving a colorful and eclectic home without overcrowding the space. Make it a goal to balance furniture sizes, space allowance, and symmetry. This is evident in the furniture picks, texture combination, and material choice around the house. Maris pointed out that they avoided too much opaque pieces and instead opted for transparent, like her vases and sculpture, or see-through furniture like her Acapulco chairs, so that the perception around the house is not impeded by bulky items. Incorporate harmony by making sure that every element of your interior design fits together. To accomplish this, the same theme or style of decoration should be used throughout the interior decoration. This brings forth unity, and therefore creates a sense of cohesion or assurance that all the elements go well together. Maris played around neutrals and chose white to create an airy feel around the house, as well as black to create clear boundaries across her open living space. Meanwhile, she stuck to a couple of accent hues to bring the space alive. In this case, she chose orange 8K, her fave color, and added a teal couch to complement the bright hue. Shop, love Maris' eclectic style. Carol kindly dropped 5 of her personal faves from the actress' new pad: Aphrodite sculpture, coral sculpture, olive tree, geometric orange area rug, concrete wall finish. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel.